God dang. God dang. Please. Please eat. Yeah, dude. And boom. A poof. Cracking detail is wrong. Boom. Yeah, this shit is too funny. That was a good fucking hold of some of this shit. Look at that thing. Oh, all right. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning into another little live stream, GM World. We're back here with Mr. Haste.
Yo, sips coffee.
Yo. And today, we're going to do our regular scheduled programming. So, what we do here on stream, review the price action that we did overnight, review some... Dang, nice bump on crypto. Okay. Good reaction on crypto. Review overnight price action, see what we can do into the day. And yeah, let's pretty much give you guys a general outline of what we see on the markets, what we see happening during the day. So let's take a gander here. As you can see, we obviously just got some CPI news. We got a nice little pump into some of these highs. Still got some highs to go to. This is a solid continuation. We're above that previous weekly high. Just now we had a nice little retest right here of this fair value gap. You can see how well the body's held right there on the hourly. We're above previous day high as well, so that is in our favor. That's what we want to see. I like it. I mean, they can take it whichever way from here on out. But I think upside is more than likely, and we would want to see that for crypto too. CPI. Let's see what the numbers came in at. Let me check what they dropped. We also had Trump talk this morning. Let's see. Core CPI year over year 2.8, forecast 2.9, previous 2.8, so it stayed the same. CPI, oh, that was core CPI, breaking US CPI year over year actual 2.4, forecast 2.4, previous 2.3. I don't know what the fuck that means. Consumer price index, CPI. Let's see. Measurement of average price paid by urban summer consumers for a representation basket of consumer goods and services, key indicator of inflation reflecting how much the cost of living increased for consumers. So, CPI calculator. CPI, increase in CPI meaning, let's see. So this indicates that prices are rising. Cost of living increase in purchasing power of the dollar is declining. So, I'm sure we saw Herbert TC 118K today. I'd fucking love that world. If we can get Bitcoin to 118, I would scream.
112 next. If we can hold above this 109. And for NQ, I really want what I said yesterday, that 22.299.
22.299. Yeah, I got 22.195 as my extension off of this little manipulation leg. So Would not be bad. Would not mind seeing that. Let's see.
Flip to the 4-hour quick on NQ. We held that. If you mark out that up move
Mark that out.
before that big black candle.
This.
Yep, the bottom of that blue candle. No, the big body with the horizontal line.
This. Oh yeah.
Look how we held that shit.
You're a key little guy right there. Yep.
Yep.
Yep. That was good. I like that. So that's what we got right now. I mean, pepperoni. It's Wednesday, so they can take this way up. All right, we got the 5618 right there at 22,195, so that is a likely target for us. We also got all of these highs right here. So these are our all-time highs. You can see those. Let's go to US 1 honey. See what that can get to. US 100. Pretty damn close to all-time highs. Damn. This grind up though. This little. I guess actually until we break this trend line, I think we're fine. But if we do,
It's the flag. It's the triangle.
yeah, the continuous little like that. So if we take these, we can possibly see something like that. Just as a precaution for everybody. NQM 24. I believe we have contracts rolling soon too.
If you trade ES, I like 6117 from here.
6117.
100 points up.
Yeah, NQ got some room for upside. It's got quite a bit of targets. I mean, I don't got nothing else except like these ones up here, but I'm sure if we look left, we will see some things over here. Yeah, NQ 22245. That will be your target if you're looking to upside. 245. Yeah, from here it's kind of like all-time highs. From there, all-time highs. It's finding a nice manipulation leg, measuring that out, and seeing where price can go. So right there, yeah, 22,195 would not be bad. I'd be okay with that. Crack indicator deleted. Kidding.
Context.
I'm kidding. Yeah, we're above previous day high where you held this fair value gap. So obviously continuation up. Look for a retrace, possibly here on futures on NQ, either into some range OTE right here, or a reversal maybe in the afternoon, just for they can chop this puppy around, whatever they want to fucking do with this. We gotta wait and see.
I think I said it on stream last night. It was never even tapped into previous day equilibrium.
Yeah.
And that 15-minute OTE held. I think that's all it needed for now.
This OTE held right there. Yeah, that 705 held. So now we're just looking at this continuation to the upside.
Shtick.
Straight fucking shtick. I mean, there's nothing else to look at here, honestly. I don't got anything else over here except like this manipulation was nice, retrace into this fair value gap, held nicely, and then a ripper up from there. So let's see what we got on these jupe. Nice little bounce on that 200 or FET. I mean, nice little bounce on the 200. That's what I want to see. We got Ethereum. Also saw a nice little bouncy off of that. ZRX. What else? Yeah, Shiba's nice. Vet, Doge, nice. XLM. Jupe. Jupe needs above this previous day high again for a continuation up. FET, same thing.
I like Doge the most on this 200 EMA. I think Doge is the one that gets it.
Doji. Let's take a gander here. Yeah, Doge. If it clears above that 200, it is a stickaroony, upperoony. Let's see if they continue this up.
I have Copperhead Road stuck in my head.
I know. Copperhead Road. Do.
Wow, Tesla overnight.
Desi Pumpy.
Oh my god, yeah.
Let's go. FET, nice bounce. I love that bounce on FET. Yeah, Doge looking good. Let's take we just saw Ethereum, Bitcoin holding that previous day equilibrium blunt open on the top right there. 111 would be nice if we can clear the top of the monthly. Love to see that. Let's see what else we got here. Let's go with some of these names. What is this right there? So retrace. If you're looking too long, I'd look for actually no data candle. There you go. Maybe 1618 of that data candle would be nice. I'd love to see that. Just for a retrace for a continuation up. That'd be good for me. That's what I would like to see. Personally. Yeah. Or you can bounce out of this fair value gap. Yeah. Bitcoin. Love to see. Let's take a look at some of these. ZRX. I'm liking this one. ZRX. I am in ZRX. ZRX Linky. Linky gave us a nice little retrace down. Now looking for a continuation up. Let's see if we get that. Linky Poo. Federuni. Dot. Said nice. Anchor. Anchor could go too. I think Anchor could be a good one. Anchor retested. Yeah, Anchor could get it from here.
ETH. Go ETH.
Go Pith. Ethereum. Bonk. Love Bonk. ApeCoin. Popcat. Retested that. CISD. Looking for a continuation up. Phil. Same thing. Let's see a Phil. Continuation. Mex.
Keep making a run at that 200 too right now. Actually, they all are near. They're all like perched on top. I like H bar a lot still that I tagged you in last night. That one's like just touching on the 200.
Yeah, I think my favorite right now is IMX.
Yeah, I like that one.
It retested this order block right there. CISD. It wants to get above this monthly. It kind of looks like that same setup that we had on a lot of names that got a shtick. Just need to see a continuation up from it for it. That'd be solid for me. Prom. I got a fucking hair in my mouth. Prom. It's got a little bit of a breakout above that little line that it has. Now I just need to see a continuation through it. Horka. Let's see ENS. ENS nice pop. BCH AI. Tia looks
15
good.
minute
Huh?
Is my Doge on the 15 is my fave.
Doji. Mobile. Ooh.
Ooh, we used to trade that boy.
This one could get it. Previous
I
day
remember
low
those
sweep
days.
above the previous day equilibrium. If you set your stop down here, it could see a nice poppy. Let's see. Popcat back at 100. Doge, 64% on it. Fat dojis for a while. See doji. Bonk, yeah, Bonk could get it. Fet could get it. Flog, still. Let me see. I'll try some mobiles. We used to trade the fuck out of this one. I'll try this one with like a stop below the previous daily low. So like, 2, 3, 6, 6, 7. Mobile could take it. Let's see if she gives. Mobile INJ, same thing. Previous day low sweep. It could really continue up from here on INJ. See this big render. Ooh. Render previous day low. It could outside that day. Tap into this fair value gap. 2. That one looks good.
Yeah, I've liked render. It's been lagging.
Oh yeah, HNT. Yeah. Oh yeah, HNT. Same thing as similar setup to mobile. So let's see if we get something on it. Sorry. Oh, dude, yeah, HNT looks fucking phenomenal. Dang. Love to see a continuation on that one. Go, HNT, go.
Old too. Don't have a I have spot. No
Which one?
leverage position. Solana looks really
Solana.
good.
Okay. Let's take a look here. Let me
It's just strong.
maybe get some HNTs. Okay. A nice retrace. Guess at least 50 of that candle. Come on now. That's 50 of the news candle. And Sorry, I'm totally not short right now. Got us that 50% right there. That news candle. You know what? I'll take that. $911. I'm fucking off.
Ooh, ooh.
Yeah, I can continue down lower into some things here. Yeah, bouncing on that 50. Can come down to the 618. That would not be bad. Previous day high retest of like above that line. Would not mind that. Or they can sell this the fucker down. But right, I'm out of this. Oh. All right. Nice. Beautiful. All right. Yeah. HNT. Sorry. HNT looks good. I like that one. Maybe I'll take some for the culture.
Oh, I saw this one the other day. I never took it. It's on the if you sort the Blowfin perps list by change percent, it's called Giga on the daily.
Oh, I've heard of that one.
Giga on the daily looks fucking beautiful.
Giga. Oh, wow.
Uh-huh. Look at
Oh,
that.
wow.
That flag looks nice.
Yeah. If it gets to CISD, dude, this one can fucking
Zoom
send
out a
it.
little bit. It just looks nice.
Yep.
The structure.
Yeah, this right there. I like that. T. Boom. AXS. Algo. ACH. Zai. Zai looks good too. Retest of the previous day equal. Retest of the 200. Retest of the monthly open. Zai looks good with this flag right here. I think Zai can give a shtick. We're being honest.
Go back to Giga quick and go on the weekly.
Oh, lordy lord. The Rising 3, baby.
I was like 4.
Yep, and there's that retest of the order block that held. Damn, yeah, this one can fucking go nuts.
Even back up to that CISD level on the weekly was
Yeah.
nice.
Damn. Yeah, retest of that monthly high would not be bad. I like that.
That
I
Zai
think
looks like Maker.
Zai, oh my god. If Zai gets this.
That is beautiful chart.
Ooh, boy.
I like that one.
What a
That looks like
beautiful
that Maker
chocolate
chart
man.
kind of thing.
Yeah, Zai could fucking get it.
I like that a lot. And it doesn't actually, a lot of these have like a blunt open on the hourly, and this one doesn't. Yeah, this is nice. Like that. I might just go light and put my stop way down.
Yeah, same. Put the stop below the weekly and then.
Yeah. And just adjust position size.
Zai,
Or,
Sui.
or lever.
Sui too, dude. A lot of these damn weeklies, these look good.
You can do 75x on Zai.
Holy fuck. Jeepers. Sui, this one looks good too. Sui near MTL. Maker, just fucking nonstop. LTC retest of the 200. If you're not in anything, that one could be good. And that nice solid pullback on Qs. Jasmine. IOTA. CRO. Vet. Vet would still love it. That continuation up above previous day high. As it opened up kind of bluntly. Zoop. What would be a good entry for XMR? I can't believe it's not a top 15 coin. Okay, XMR. Let me take a look at XMR. AVAX. VAX still could go.
Who's asking about
Some
dinosaur coins?
Yeah. XMR, or look at Cello too. I posted this one in chat yesterday.
Yeah,
XMR,
like
let's take
that.
a look at this fucking dinosaur. Damn, 325. Damn, this one's nutty. It's above the 200, so I mean, honestly, if you wanted to slap an entry here, that would not be bad. I just don't like all of this LRLR that it
Daily
has to
scary. I
upside.
was just gonna say
Yeah, it
that day looks
looks
like a falling five.
it looks a little ugly. I mean, if you're really wanting a good entry, 275 would be good on this weekly retest right there. But that is about all we got on that one. I think that
I
will
think
be
they had
your.
bad news the other day.
Mm. Is this an exchange too?
It's a privacy coin, and they always said it would be like the top privacy coin is more private than Bitcoin. But I'm pretty sure a couple of weeks ago they had like some sort of
Leak.
like, yeah, for real,
Sell
like
this
the one thing
whole
that it's
down.
supposed to not do.
I think your best bet would be like God, I hate these fucking lines sometimes. I get stuck in it. There you go. That's what you that's maybe what you want to see on it. If you're looking for an entry long on it. I mean it can go from here, right? But yeah. Yeah. I think you're better
There's
off
some better.
trading Dogecoin. Not financial advice. Oh, yeah. I think that will do it for today. So we got some yeah, we got a good short on Qs this morning. Probably done on the day. Fucking off. Can still come down into here, right? The 618 you want to watch and see. If it gets below 786 and closes below this previous day high, we're likely gonna go back down and clear up some of this shit right here and go outside day. That's what I'll be watching for. Yeah, because we tapped negative 3.5s. So at least 50% of this range, this whole range that we've created, look for that, or look for OTE of this whole range, which is going to be, put this puppy on there, 618. So retest of this 21,957. That might be where you want to look for. If it comes back through this stuff, right, then let's say this is below 786, you don't want to see the bottom of that news candle. Is basically what I'm saying. Other than that, that's gonna do it. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this morning broadcast, this morning stream. If you guys are not in the community, make sure you check out www.papertrails.io. It's going to be your go-to website for anything PaperTrails related. Check it out. We got 4 free tools on there. We got the candle creator, we got the risk calculator, ICT trainer, and trader journal. So check those out. Those are free for you guys to use. Just got to use your email, and then, well, I think risk calculator is nothing. It's just that trader journal to help keep track of your data. What else we got there? You can check out the community. I believe we do a 7-day free trial. You can check it out. We post all of our trades in there. We don't do alerts. Just post the outlines and what we can see happening on the day. So make sure you guys check that out. We do a little pre-market write-up. Shane does a lot of crypto write-ups in there. We have a crypto channel. We have futures channel. So whatever you trade. And we have also a stock channel. So we got everything in there. We post our outlines, post our biases, not biases, but just what we see, just our price reads and our chart reads. So check those out. It's the best way to get ahead of the markets, in my opinion. If you guys are not willing to wait for the live streams, or if you wait for the live streams, you get it live. But it's a little bit of a delayed data stream for you guys. Make sure you guys are on that website. You can also scroll down and you can do view past streams. You can check our track record, see how we've done in the past, see how we're doing right now. Check out Blowfin. That's what we use to trade these pairs. So you can use the link for the Paper Traders to sign up. You get initial deposit bonus. You can also use the code HAZED or code Eddie. You can also use the links on the website. There's a little drop down, Blowfin Crypto drop down. Check those links out. You can also check those out on my Twitter. You can check it out on @HazeBeats Twitter. Check those out. Follow us on Twitter at the Paper Traders. Also the best way to stay up to date in terms of what's happening in the community and when we are streaming. Other than that, that's going to do it. Thank you guys. We want to reach the goal of 140 viewers. Track record. Yep. We want to get 140 viewers on Friday. So let's make that happen. I'm also doing a little giveaway. So if you guys get me to 1,000 followers, we're going to do a lifetime Paper Traders giveaway. So make sure you guys retweet that tweet. Make sure you guys are following. Let's get it going. And if we get to 500 viewers, I'm going to give away a Paper Traders hat. We got multiple options. You can get a dad hat. Mr. Hayes owns one. If you want to post a picture, I'll retweet it, show everybody what they can win. So 500 viewers on the live stream, and we'll give away a hat. 1,000 followers, we'll give away a lifetime membership to the Paper Traders. Check it out. Everything's posted on our Twitters. At the Paper Traders is going to be the best one for you guys to follow if you really want to see what's going on. Other than that, that'll do. We'll see you guys later tonight.
Have a great day. Be safe.
Peace out.
Peace.
Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Peace world.